Tama ng hirap, tama ng delay. It's time to learn how to identify your niche in one click. Let's go. Welcome to Barangay Bay Niche Finder, wherein in one click mga mi ay maintindihan niyo na o malalaman niyo na kung ano ang niche niyo. So it's very, very easy. All you have to do is to accomplish this form. Like for example, Miss, let's put your hobbies and interests. Content creation, let's say video editing, just a little bit there. And then we can go to marketing and creative category. You can check the rest, you know? Kung ano bang skills? What are your skills? So put your social media management, for example, copywriting, let's say email marketing, influencer outreach, content creation, video editing, graphic design, yung mga tingin mong kaya mo, kahit basic lang, ka mag-overthink. Pwede ka din maglagay dito sa admin. Let's say, meron ka na admin, calendar, email, project management, di ba? Digital filing, research, ayan. Then dito naman sa tools, di ba? Tools you're proficient with. Change din yan. So you can pick whatever you want to pick. For example, mga yan, mga kaya mo nang gamitin. Ilagay mo lang dyan, yan. Ilagay mo lang dyan mga kaya mong gamitin. Di ba? Marketing. You just put whatever, take whatever you want to take, whatever you know. Dito wala akong alam, T. And then, just click find my Vanish matches. And back, it will automatically, OMG, ayan, give results here. So, nakalagay dyan, 29 matches found. They're very niche matches. So, ikaw na pipili. Do you want to do project management? So, ito yung mga description, the requirements, tools, content creation, VEA, graphic design, email marketing. Ito yung mga possible. If you want to know more about it, just click on our content creation, view details. It will lead you to a Google search about content creation VA. And you will see everything here, skills and qualifications. Generalized to guys. So, ah, very easy. Find your niche in one click. Okay? Very short but sweet video and very helpful. If you think this is helpful, please share. Share nyo to sa friends you mean, no? Yung itago to, i-share nyo sa friends, sa family, and make sure you subscribe. Hindi rin yung thank you sa akin. Subscribe and hit that notification bell dahil gagawa pa akong maraming tools na makakatulong sa inyo. How do I find this? Click the link in our description box. Nandoon yung link of this one. Okay? Enjoy everyone. Bye!